Hello guys, today I am gonna show you how we can integrate PayPal payment method in a PHP object oriented and MVC pattern based website. So let me show you. I have these products and we can add to cart. You see here added a item, and we can visit the cart and we can move the checkout. We have two methods, cash on delivery and PayPal, so we will use the PayPal. Okay, let me see. This is our database. The payments table have order ID, payment ID, paper, payer ID, payer, email and others, and orders table, cards table, all are empty. We have products. Okay, let's move on. So when we will click on the place order it will check if the ready button is selected cash on delivery or PayPal. If it's the PayPal, then we will move forward. So let's see the form. Here is the form, and we have two radio button, on delivery and PayPal. Okay, when someone click, it will go to the order route. Let's show the route. We have the order route, and it will go to the checkout controller and call a method called place. Let's see. We have a method called place, and here we get some part done before. Now here is the cash on delivery part, then we will place here in the PayPal part. So if it's the PayPal, then we will let's create a method new, and we will use the checkout model, and let's say call PayPal pay method name, and let's create a method in the checkout model called PayPal pay. Okay, this is our one delivery. Then we will create a method here called PayPal pay, and we will check what information we will need here. So we may need amount and currency and other things. Okay, we have the method, and let's use a package called OmniPay for the integration. So you can grab the composer require and go to the terminal, then paste it here and just enter. Then the package will add in your project, and you are good to go now. Okay, let's see how we can integrate it. We have to, let's see, yeah, we can use this way OmniPay. Okay, let's use in our checkout model. Go to the top, and we can say use this. Okay, and let's move to the PayPal place. So here we need some parts, and let's get this one as well. and we will say PayPal REST we are using PayPal REST API, so we can say gateway, and we need some part from the PayPal called client ID, secret key, and the test true or not. I mean, we are using a local host or in the live server. That's what called test mode, I think. Yep, yeah, test mode. Yeah, okay, we can say let get client ID. We have to pass our PayPal provided client ID here, and we can say set secret. We have to pass secret key that provided by PayPal, and the test mode is true because we are testing it in our local server. So we will use this client ID, secret key, and test mode in two places. So we will define it at the top. Let's call define as a constant. We can say client ID, or we can say PayPal client ID. Then we can say a constant called PayPal secret key, and we need other two part called return URL and the cancel URL. So we can say and call cancel URL. So let's copy our PayPal client ID